You've done the inner work. You've surfaced your stories. You've found your themes. Now it's time to turn that into gold, into moment and momentum. Let's talk strategy, because a great story is powerful, but a great story shared at the right moment, on the right platform, in the right format, is how you build something lasting. This section is about making your message move. We'll cover which stories to post when, how to create flow access across your content, and how to keep showing up, even when motivation dips. This isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Content isn't just creation, it's communication. And if you want to connect with real people, you need to speak their language while staying true to yourself. And it's important to stay true to yours. You've already done the hard part. Now, we just aim the spotlight. Let's move into the next video, choosing your core content pillars, so you can start building a rhythm that feels true to you. Let's get on with that.